Hello friends, welcome to the channel Mindful Convo. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So now our today's topic is the most hot topic, that is the new features for the Selenium 4. So in August 2019, Simon Stewart, who is the founder of the Selenium, had told about the improvements and features that are present in Selenium 4.0. As the Selenium has become the industry start for automation world to write the custom test scripts, so every automation engineer is curious about the Selenium news or the updates and its additional features in every version. So the Selenium not only helps the large businesses that rely on it, but it also helps the every possible manner for everyone who do not have much technical knowledge. In April 2019, Selenium 4.0 has introduced. So let's start with the features of Selenium 4. As we can see in the presentation that it has various features like Windows and Tab. It does not support the Opera browser. It has parent frame method. It has full screen and minimize screen methods. It has relative locators. It has Chrome driver and the Edge driver that is inherited from the Chrome driver. It has no more inherited from the remote web driver, and it has also the concept of the full snapshot in the Firefox browser. It also exposes the dev tools. So one by one we will going to discuss these 8 features in the Selenium 4. So our first is, in Selenium 4, we can work on 2 different windows at one time. It provides us the new window method which accepts the parameter that is used when we want to navigate to the new window or the new tab to perform the actions or to navigate to a new tab or a new page. Now our second is, it does not support the Opera browser because the implementation for the WebDriver for this browser is not under active development. So as the Opera browser is developed using Chromium, so it has the same behavior of the Chrome browser. So we can use the Chrome browser in order to see the script. Now our next is, this version also provides us the method for the switch to parent frame, that is driver.switch2method.parent frame. Previously we have to use the window handle method to get the parent window instance, and then we have to switch over that. In this version, full screen as well as minimized methods are added, as well as along with the maximize method. As in the previous version we have only the maximized method, that is driver.manage.maximize. Now the next is the relative locators. In the Selenium 4 we can find the element using the relative locators, while in the previous versions we have various locators like ID, class name, tag name, XPath, CSS locator. So along with this, Selenium 4 provides us the relative locators. So we have various methods regarding this, like first is to left of method. So element located to the left of the specified element. To the right of method, it finds the element located to the right of the specified element. Above method, it locates the element located above with respect to the specified element. Below method, element located below with respect to the specified element. Near method, elements located with respect to the same element which is maximum 50 pixel away from that specific element. Now our next is Chrome driver and Edge driver. In the Selenium 3rd version, we have remote web driver that has the implementation of the Chrome driver as well as Edge driver. But now in Selenium 4, Chrome driver and Edge driver both are inherited from the Chrome driver. Now in the next we have the full snapshot in Firefox browser. So in Firefox we can take the full snapshot with the method get full page screenshot method but here it needs to be typecasted to the Firefox instance instead of the screenshot instance. So we have a syntax like file source and driver.get full page screenshot where it is typecasted into the Firefox driver. Now our last is the exposure to the DevTools. The Selenium 4 exposes the DevTools API from the Chrome driver. So the DevTools have method to get handle on the developer options that build directly into the Google Chrome. DevTools helps to edit the pages for the debugging and troubleshooting. These can also be used for performance and page load time issues. You can trigger the DevTool commands by using the driver.getTools get DevTools method, and then you can create the session, but mind it that the driver.get DevTools method are to be typecasted into the Chrome driver. So these are the features for the Selenium 4, and it is the main topic that is to be asked by the interviewers. So be up to date for every Selenium version and stay tuned for the other videos. Goodbye.